bafowethu sanibonani emakhaya. Welcome back to another exciting episode. This is your boy King Shamase. Igama lo show yethu besibiza ukuthi Danko Disc podcast with UVKG. Isabanjiwe ke bafowethu. Thank you so much for subscribing and commenting laphayana siyabona. Nenza ukuthi sikhule sibe umndeni omkhulu with the consistency. Angihambi ke ngedwa again ngiphethe umsholozi lana uNcamalala with my co-host.
Yeah.
We are back again. Welcome to the show, my king. Ngibingelela abantu emakhaya.
Ngibingelela kakhulu kubantu emakhaya, ngibingelela bonke nje abasibukele sibabingelele sithi kubona elinye iviki isikhathi new ideas let's share and like i-page lethu Danko podcast senze show ukuthi sayibukela ne TV yethu i-TV yethu Take 2 TV subscribe la kuyona iziningi izinto ezokwenzeka sicela uzuma lo sengibingelele emakhaya.
Thank you Msholozi. Last time my king mhlambe before sigena ukuthi last time besithini siphuma kwi-weekend.
Yeah.
It's been busy amagame asaqhubeka.
Yes.
Take us through ngibonile laphayana ngathi ama-giant kwajumpile.
For nje abalaleli bazobona ama-team awu-2 ase-Africa. 2 teams angakwazanga sibuke ngathi akwazanga ungena ngoba izinto zenzeka-ke ebholeni singathi thina bangenanga kanti baphinde bangene. Kunezikole eziningi ezishiwoyo but okusalayo nje yilokhu ukuthi iNigeria neCameroon I think iCameroon mina yilo ngayilandela angikhumbuli ngakaze eWorld. So esikhathini sabo Roger Miller yabona uRoger Miller ekhumbula so like kubhlungu kakhulu but sijabulile thina ngebafana ukuthi at least sikwazi ukuqualify nje automatic and abalaleli nabasiqhubeke njalo nokulalela nokubuka yabafana siba support kubalulekile ngeke ubone ukuthi wakekho kholwayo futhi mangicabanga ukuthi country eNigeria ayikho
sizobibuka nathi la kwa screen
akukho kunye
but it's another year it's football and ishintshile shape uyabona ukuthi even kwi league yethu ukuthi no bakushube kuyona futhi kushube international.
No I mean I think the most important part ukuthi abantu bazoyithatha kancane i-game time. I think into esiza ibafana right now ukuthi ithatha abantu abadlala emathimini wabo ungaba phesheya kwelwandle kodwa if you not playing uhleli nje phesheya kodwa la bayadlala nabafana bethu and ba competitive badlala eAfrica babuye bazodlala ngala so ne league yethu is very tough so manje mawuthi uyabheka lento engiyibongayo mina ngibonga ikhulu eziphethe league abobaba Ivan they've really upgraded the league so much ubaba simbonga kakhulu ngezinto abazenzayo as much as ibhola lila likhona they've played a huge role and siyakubonga abakwenzayo.
Thank you so much. Usalapho Msholozi as we analyze ngifikelwa nje into eyodwa as umlandeli ukuthi khona uba number 9 wethu lapha ku squad ba
Frostler.
Uthini ngalo yamdlali being the squad and being a striker lapha.
I think it's giving us another shape. But obviously we need to be patient. The boy is doing well for team but South Africa not so much. Kodwa ke thina silibuka ibhola deeply uyambona ukuthi he complement the squad. He complement indlela abafuna ukudlala ngayo at that particular time depend ukuthi uBruce ufuna ukudlala kanjani but for mina he does give us a shape. It's just that ukuthi into ke squad ithi umuntu asimnike ichance singamfaki under pressure ngoba basuke behlangene for the period esikhathi esincane uthola baka understandani nalabanye into ezikanjalo but yena ngokubuka kwami umfana ozokwazi ukudlala ingxenye naye enkulu in terms of national team.
Thank you so much my kid. Mhlambe sithi ukuhlehla kancane no asingahlehli uzohlehla emva kwalokho.
Yes,
we have ama-game azayo futhi kuyona iBetway Premiership uyazi ke nawe uthi asithinti wonke umuntu not ukuthi laba abanye sibathatha kancane but you know the hype ukuthi shape ibheke kephi. Pirates is playing again on Tuesday on the 24th. akukho mhlawumbe okutheni Richards Bay.
Yeah. It's a repeat. It's a repeat of Richards Bay. Kodwa I'll still maintain ukuthi Pirates will dominate the game. But slightly logo it will not be easy for them njengoba ubonile second half. But the problem is that manje iPirate phela kufanele manje kunama players lapha afuna ukungena national team. No coach that wants to prove something. We pay their players as well that wants to cement and basho banokhe national team because everyone is open. But I would say with the Moses Mabhida and the Pirate with the 12 men and the Pirate will automatically win at the game. Not easy game, but it could be a 2-1 margin. But if not, go about 3-1. That's my opinion. Okay. If ngibanga 2-1 or about 3-1, if kungenzelanga, but the Pirates ngiyasho nje kubalula ukuthi with no doubt, with no fear futhi. As much as iBay showed kule yakhe bayidlala ukuthi ibuyile against Pirates, but ukhumbule ukuthi we're not talking about the team now that kufanele ungayicabanga emazodla. Futhi wena fa uplay against Pirates. Pirates yona kule game ngibo ukuthi kulonyaka nje mfethu ngizothi kuzoba nzima kakhulu ukuthi uyidle. But inkinga yePirates nje obungizwe ngilifaka igole elilodwa ukuthi iPirates iyakorela. That's true. So ingawo ukuthi kuzoba 3-1 or 2-1 margin score.
Seluzwile guys, take notes bona ukuthi
sizowina sobuya la eBetway nje bafake nje lapha lokho nje ama bets lawa nikwazi ukuthi ni benefit kancane kule show. This show is about that with educationally and also is about us see experiment esikhuluma ngeshow open ishow ethi open. We want to make sure that we educate coaches. We also want to educate our players. Njoba sizokwenza namhlanje sizo educate kancane nje ucoach ngoba last week besikuma scouting so lokusibuyela nje ngoba no coach bayidinga education so that bezokwazi ukutransform igame yengane a little bit better and quicker.
Exactly. Guys, don't forget to follow us. Sisakhona icathulo zesikole njalo and zivuliwe izandla kubantu abafika ukuphosa esivivaneni in whatever that we do. Pinetown Super Cup is coming. Sawadinga ama sponsors there. Isicelo sports skills as well as a development yayidinga support. Take to TV anyway guys, please enzani right and share these episodes. Masibuya ke msholozi namhlanje asinakho okuningi because sazoba ne tour sasibathembisile emakhasi leli viki siye ema-groundini so they got to see us live doing things laphayana sibone ukuthi abantu bayi-prepare
kanjani for i-Super Cup. It's exciting. I mean even teams it's exciting for them because it's one of the kind. We are not having any resources. We are in terms of the marketing strategies that we come with. I applaud you guys for that because we just having an idea that you want to create this thing. It's another level because it has never been done. It's only been done by teams that are in the PSL and whatnot. We want to make this cup look like a PSL cup because it's another cup. I mean, like it's another cup. If we've got a cup that we've got teams that are coming from outside. I mean, it's almost a national cup. It's a national cup. So that's why I'm saying that we just want to make sure these teams get the benefit and people they must know. We want the people to come Jobosho bazolekelela lama team not just but let's help it about contribute something to society because society appeared. So it's one of the things that we want to run against. There are so many violence, there are so many things that are happening. But if we engage and get these boys as early as possible to put them in sports, we're saving lives. So it's important that if you've got something that you can contribute to any team that you will find, uNkulunkulu uyokubusisa azi ukuthi unakelela isizwe sakhe.
Hey, usalapha, I remember in one of the planning meetings ahleze bakhona annually and quarterly for isicelo preparing the Super Cup ukuthi yakuyaba khona into idana ukuthi how are we going to call this big shape ethathayo manje ngoba it's Pinetown but it's national.
Yes.
I remember usangena lapho ucabanga strategize ukuthi ngizoyithini
ngoba it taking itoll yaNkulunkulu. So uyena futhi ozosho ukuthi what happens next, because us ngamehlo wethu sizobuka ngako. Kodwa okubalekile thina we can say it big, but lapha lapha phezulu bathi ncane, sengisholo lapha phezulu. But what I'm saying is that lokho asenzela kona ukumusa nothando, siyacela kuyena ukuthi ayenze kube yakhe, athathe indlela yakhe. So abantu, they must contribute, they must share ideas ukuthi how can we grow it, ngoba sifuna ukuthi uma sifika ngakini noma siza ngakini uwazi ukuthi kune-Patriots Super Cup kunabantu abafuna ukuthi ningathi manifuna ama-trial azotholakala la from next year nje yonke into sobe siyenza sobe sibatshela ama-trial esendaweni ethile, i-team ethile enza ama-trial ama-assessment kanje because this is a educational page. Asifuna ukuthi isizwe kuthiwa khona ingane yegoli yafika ahlumezeke egoli yafika yathola yes, we want to make sure ukuthi ingane ziyawazi ama-trial legit and they know ukuthi how to look at ama-page na fake. They must know, abazali nabo they must know ukuthi their pages they are fake. La ithiwa mhlawumbe kuthiwa khona AmaZulu AmaZulu anama-tribe azolanda ingane azokhokhiswa imali engaka. Just know that pages is no waqala lokwathiwa khokha imali ungangeni, kodwa kunezinye izinto uthola mhlawumbe kuthiwa okay especially ama-PSL teams. Ama-PSL teams they don't do that. But ama-team afana no-KZN Isicelo namanye lama-development amancane, they do contribute in terms of the paperwork that we do. But nakhona you need to consult and see i-page labo ukuthi it's real, and then you call the numbers before ufake imali, because once ufake imali uyoyifaka endaweni wrong. So ingawo ngithi abazali abangabi desperate, and akekho futhi umuntu ongalanda ingane yakho kwakho, ingane yazizela ifike yenza akekho umuntu ozokhokha u900 ngoba ngizoyiletha ngoba yabo ngizoyinika ama-track suit, wazi kanjani lengane izosign. So it's very important ukuthi abazali babe educate ngalezi zinto. It's very important. It's very important. It's very important.
Thanks Msholozi, usakhuluma khona into engiyiphikile mina hleze ngifunda ukuthi okay mhlambe the importance ngizwile futhi uyishilo kancane mhlambe sithi ukuyindlala the importance of ingane ukuthi baleka kanjani ukuthi involve kuma sports regardless mhlambe ukuthi esikoleni ekusona yabanawo la ama opportunities, but ngasemakhaya bakhona coaches khona ama activities. Ukubaleka kwalokho nje ingane sakhulu.
I think it's abazali bayazi it's helping oqala healthy mind makes good decisions. Uma ngabe umntwana wakho ebe involved kuma sport early, what is important is that you uzokwazi ukuthatha responsibility. So it's very important ingane ikwazi ukuthatha responsibility. By getting to sport, you know ukuthi ujima ngo3 you must be there at 3. You've got the responsibility that you must do. So ingane engabe involved in my sport, it's easy uba manipulated ngapha nangapha. So beside saving ingane from drugs and alcohol and everything that happens, but the most important part is that he doesn't have so much time in his hands. So it's free. Yabo sikhathi asithola nje where is free, so he thinks of other things. So it's very important that they be, if you involve in any sport, that sport siyamakha umuntu simkhona simenza abe umuntu wakusasa. I remember Shamatse ukuthi you can ask any player or any sporting person ukuthi the most difficult part is to prepare your body for a certain occasion.
True.
It's very difficult because the sacrifice that you do are demanding. So that your body can perform. So if your child is not involved in sports, then automatically obesity yangena lokukhuluphala yokuba njani. But if umntwana wakho involved in sports, uba healthy nje yabo beside anything. So it's very important that we must understand ukuthi is not only creating an opportunity ukuthi ongena adlala ibhola for iChiefs he learn a lot of things. He learn communication, how to be patient, how to khuluma nezinye ingane, how can you not enter into a problem, how to solve inkinga yabo ngoba into azoba nazo lezo azozifunda kwi-sports yabo. So there are a lot of benefits. I mean, like ama-benefit are beyond ukukhuluma, because uyabona umntwana obe lapho kukancane angaboni ukuthi yazi noma I'm running late for this, I need to consult, ngoba uyazi ukubaleka kwesikhathi. So most people ke isikhathi abasazi baze bathi abanye bathi is Africa, is African, bayenze lathina what we bantu time. So that thing must come to an end. It must come to an end. Makuthiwe into iqala ngo9 umuntu azifikele ngo10 hayi vele ngiyabazi labana bazoqala benza ukuthi abathi uyafika umuntu into isiyaphela, so that he learns ukuthi times are changing. Once or waste isikhathi esincane you can't take it back. So ingane ngizifunda lonto ukuthi it's very important yabo.
Abanye banomqondo ukuthi into ngeke iqale
ngakafiki.
There's a lot
yabo. Uthola ukuthi umuntu uthi hayi vele ngiyazi ukuthi kuzoba nento so lapha. No, we can't wait for you. It's very important that we stick to time, because if uyabona manje isikhathi ngendlela esimova ngazo uyabona ukuthi our lives on likulahlekele, you have lost. So, and also I will advise ukuthi another thing that I believe it teaches these kids is that the importance of doing something that you love. I find so many parents that will come to me and say, "Sicelo, ngiyamisa umntwana wami because he's not doing well at school." Then I say to her or him, with pleasure, miss in front of the boy, miss. If akakwazi uadjust, akakwazi ukuthi abone ukuthi lokhu nalokhu okubalekile ngalesikhathi lokho, it means ukuthi akakwazi uprioritize. Uma usesikoleni, be fully esikoleni, be fully there, be fully there. Uma usebholeni, be fully there as well. But you cannot do the two things. Uthi manje mina ngisafunda ibhola ngifuna ufunda. Into yakudala leyani siyaphela. I always tell coaches, athi umuntu ayikwazi ukudlala ibhola kuphela, ngithi no, it can't happen. Akawuqede umatric. Uma ehlulwa imaths is fine, but akakwazi ukuhlula imaths, ahlulwe history, akakwazi. He needs to finish umatric ngoba no matter what akakwazi ukuhlula izo zonke ama topic sidlalile mosinathi ibhola. Ukhona umuntu okuthiwa okay alo akaphiwanga lutho, yes siyavuma, kodwa there must be something akwazi ukuyenza ezokwazi ukuthi imlekelele, yabo. So those are the things abantu ke that they need to understand as well.
Thank you so much, coach. Wafaka izinto eziningi ngoba lana at times I think as parents we shift ama blame nama responsibilities bese sifuna ukuthi siwanika abanye abantu, singafuna ukuvuma ukuthi we are failing our kids at home. Because lento nje reality uthi mangise classini swele ngadlala ibhola. So ukwazi ukuthi uphazanyiswa incwadi while udlala ukwisma sports, because yonke lento inesikhathi sayo. And I know ukuthi nani vele sokesena ama parents kulezi ingane as coaches. Do you guys tell them ukuthi mhlawumbe let's say ejimini kungenwa ngo3 for example, niyabaqoquzela ngama chores abo asemakhaya ukuthi you don't come to gym if yazi ukuthi ibhola is something else. I remember I've met most of the parents will witness this. Abazali ingane zabo manje seziyabahlula. That's fair. But then happens ukuthi ngaba ngenza a routine ukuthi I will come to your place. I will come to your place. I want to see if you are able to do your own bedding. At an early age, I'm talking about a 7-year-old, 8-year-old, he must be taught to do his own bed. Yes, bangaba nentata babe no auntie ekhaya, umuzo vela avuke azambele. But he must know how to do his own bed. That's true.
He must know how ukuxubha amazinyo wakhe. It's important when he wakes up. He must know ukuthi uma ngabe ngifuna ukudlala ibhola, I need to make sure ukuthi ngiyamcela umama futhi ngiyamwashela icathulo ngiwashe inyawo uma ngifuna ukwenza into right for him. I must make sure ukuthi ngane ngimfundisa semncane ukuthi wenza njani uprioritize, ufunda nini yena as an individual. Angeke ngithi ingane ayifunde sekufika i-test. Sengimmise ebholeni ngoba sekufika i-test. Kodwa I know ukuthi ayikho ingane engafunda from 4 o'clock to 10 o'clock. Ingane se-primary, it cannot happen. From 4 o'clock to 10 o'clock, lokhu iqolozela incwadi kanje, it can't happen. So those are the things I'm saying, which we just need to improve understanding on how these things must be separated. But it's very important to go to school. It's very important as well to be involved in sports.
yeah, that's true.
Yeah.
As parents, we need to, because it's a learning curve. Mhlawumbe kuyingane yakho yokuqala nawe ukuthi I'm a child, umzali manje ngidila kanjani nale human being.
Yes. No, it's true. It's true.
Yeah.
And most parents are single parents. So you understand the pressure that he wants to create, you can understand. But the only thing is that I will encourage them is that they do the right things inganisencane uzifunde konke ukuthi mina ngo8 o'clock ngenza lokho ngoba abantu ingabi nokunje kunesikhathi nje sithule nje esingasazi ukuthi ingane isenzani yabo.
No coach, mhlambe sengizophuma kule topic ngifuna ukuchecka nje kokugcina ukuthi how important it is for kids njengoba usuyichazile lento yama boot camps, because you see ukuthi some parents lithina esihlulekayo kulezi zinto. Mhlambe leyanto ngabe isilekelela kalula ukuthi ucoach angalokho esha door to door manje, but mabehlangene beya kuma camps they learn these disciplinary causes ukuthi how to be independent and work as a team.
Our into show Obama Makamam Python Super Cup, we create that platform where the kids are camping. So what happens is that manje, that is where we then see them thoroughly on how they behave. Asibabona besemakhaya, but sibabona mesebe bonke ama skills abafundayo ukuthi are they learning, are they working towards each other's dream, or would win a game, what it takes to win a game, what it takes to be disciplined, what it takes for you to understand any culture abanye abantu bakhuluma ngenye indlela, and then uba tolerate uzama ukulifunda lo language, because it's important. So when we create that with Python Super Cup, we're creating for ukuthi bazi ukuthi abazali, it's not only about the camp, it's about a human being being independent amongst his peers, akwazi ukuphila nabo. There are so many situations ongazithola ukona in slightly moment.
That's true.
Uthola ukuthi kade uphila kahle, but in a moment uvela ishintsha ithi but you've learned the skills. Uzokwazi ukusurvive. It's very important.
No coach, ayibambe ngakho. Impendulo zami vele ehleli kuyona le platform. Guys, please come and join. Nifike early futhi next year ukuletha ama team wenu nani bo coach niyazi nina lenivele nikhona ukuthi kwenziwa kanjani. So kuzungayithola so frustrated mase kumele ungene ema competitions ekuthiwa sekugcwele nani. Kono coach bezobuka ukuthi how can you expand this. Mhlambe coach sesizoyivala ke siye ke manje kuma lesson of the day. Last time we spoke about scouting, sathi nakhona kancane sangabanika wonke umsoco, so that they will communicate lapha kuma comment. Usiphatheleni kuloko.
I said we want coaches to be educated. Slightly kancane now. We're not saying we know it all, but we want to share ideas. So kuzoba khona coaches ovela lesicelo this we can improve, this we can improve. I like that ngoba I'm in football, ngoba nami ngifuna ukufunda, but I want to share as much knowledge as possible so that it's easier to do this. Kunyaka omningi umuntu aseyisebenzile almost ngaye retire ngo 2014. So you can imagine ukuthi how sengibe ebholeni elengane for isikhathi esingana. I've been involved with ingane from that time, different age groups until 21, but I'm calling them ingane bonke because base ingane lawo. So I've been there and learning in the process. So now I want to create something for abantu ebizwa nge-pie chart. A pie chart ngifuna bayi understand ukuthi ufana nophaya yabo uphaya lo udlayo udle ngala lo muzi uqede. So we want to make sure ukuthi mawubuka ingane uyibuke as a pie chart. Yabo you draw a pie chart, mase uyibeka pha nendawo usubabonisa, mase ufaka wonke ama ingredient wakho ephaya, ufaka ipuphu ini yabo asiwazi ukwenza njani. But what happens is that in that pie chart, watch your player. I want you to watch the worst player. The worst player that you're saying is the worst player. Wena emehlweni akho uzombuka ngokwe pie chart, ungambuki ngokwamehlo. Ngangithe before ke ngenze ama scenario ngangithi ngizowenza nge-pie chart bese sibabonisa. Kunezinto that we must look at ukuthi lo uyakwazi ukuyenza yini as much as good uyakwazi ukwenza lokho uyakwazi ukwenza lokho ngokwe-pie chart. I-pie chart uzoyihlukanisa according to how we wanted it. I told you ngathi attitude is key.
Yes.
I told you manje ke usuyalandela ku-pie chart mhlawumbe usuthi communication, usuyalandela uthi awareness, usuthi passing, shooting, heading, ball control, ball maybe passing with his left. We are lokhu usho kanjalo. Why le pie chart uzoyenza iyakhulu i-pie chart ngoba you involve manje uthi eye coordination, ngenza umzekelo his agility yabo, his speed, his appearance yabo, sekukuningi manje yelo iyakhulu i-pie chart yakho. Then uthatha iplayer yakho othwe nayi lo uyazama nje kodwa akamhluli usibanibani. I'm telling you, you will see a lot of players that you were thinking would back good behlulwa yilabo wena othi abekho good. Khumbuleke ibhola alikho ngama opinion. Ibhola it's about facts. We talk facts here. Yabo sikhuluma ama fact. Ibhola is fact. Ngizokwenza nje an example njengamanje. Ngifuna sibheke lama players ayi2. Yabo? And ngicabanga uzoba ama players ozowazi.
Okay.
Yabo? Sizothatha uMakgopa wePirates. Whom people they regard him as nje into nje. Yabo ngilanda ama players that othi nje abam respect bacabanga ukuthi he's not doing. I mean uMakgopa nje I heard a lot of people saying that. That's why I'm bringing it up. Then mase siyakubani siye kukhona futhi ibhakani.
Okay.
Siye ku strike escorayo uMabasa. Then do a pie chart for me for those boys. Then see who you can put in the game.
For me, Makgopa, I'll put him in. Because as much as Trump as a coach, limfuna lapha yakho area. But he's able to move and look for ball. Azama kuyiposition.
I-pie chart yakho ke ezoyenza ngifuna uyenze kanjalo. But let's look at the things that they can do both of them.
Okay.
Let's look at that and then usenze. Ngenza umzekelo.
I get
uMabasa. He's a goal poacher. Makgopa can miss, but he can also score. But i-pie chart must be based on that. Let's not be based on telling this one. Mase siya work rate. Put a work rate in. Work rate Mabasa. Work rate then see. Oh no, but this one. That's the pie chart that I'm looking for, that we must create. So that's why I'm assisting coaches to understand what is it that they need to improve. If you get a boy who's 8 years old, then you create a pie chart for him. Then it's not easy to improve him bit by bit.
I get you.
Until you've got a pie chart for him. You've got a pie chart for all your boys. Then manje usuthi okay pie chart yakhe yakhula sengi-edile lo game yakhe nalokho seki-edekile that's where I'm going. But it's huge. I mean it's huge. So I'm saying that one helps you ukuthi umbone ukuthi uyaimprove noma uyishona phansi yabo. By the time usuyi-complete pie chart yakho, then you will be 30 at some stage, 30 years old. Or he will be 28, 29, where he will complete his pie chart. Kodwa ngenzeka uthola ukuthi uthola umfana who meets all the ingredients. That's why we call them special boys. Like what is happening with Urel right now. When you were watching him, Mama Bimbo, that's how they were judging the fact that he can do some things. That's why you get promoted. That's why they say, hey, you're a special player. Like for instance, overseas, you hear them saying that, hey, this boy Ulelema, he's been scouted. I mean, like he's the next Messi. he's the next Messi or he'll be bigger than Messi or whatever. It's because of the things that he does. It's because of the things that he does. About my best beggar, the comparator with Messi at that level. No, because of those factors and was shown. Pie charts. He's doing well. But Messi was not doing this. If this boy can do this after this, that's when we'll invest so much money away. So like South Africa is good. Would you find that they've just bought Umfana that is 13 with Krampe bezomthenga with KZN Academy or whoever action whoever they take in now 100,000 or 200. This boy says he's going to be the next thing Papis or Twan or whoever that might be. It's because we don't have those capabilities. This boy acts like this. So when we involve them, not only uksiza but also uksiza your development or uksiza as a coach to grow as well. Ngoba uzokwazi manje ukuthi uba sebenze more quicker and more faster so that they can develop properly. Yes. Pie chart can also work kumuntu omdala, as I was saying, you can go for me, you can go as far as 30 years old because the game yakho iyakhula. Once you add something manje ukuthi yazi ukuthi umahopa bengakwazi ukukora ngekhanda but ucoach wamsebenza ekhanda manje usiyakora ngempela ngekhanda yebo so uyayedana manje ability yakho ukuthi can now score with his header ngoba uloke improve. That is why uthole le South Africa sesicabanga ukuthi urele usephelele, which is not. Which is not. Quarter is not as well because fanele bayikhulisa igame yabo day and day so that bezokwazi ukuba complete players.
I get you coach. Ziyakhali la izwa indaba yaphaya abafethu manibhaka ukuthi uphaya ishebo oyifakayo ukubona bani big pie king pie is ngapha suke si reach level. No, thank you so much Msholozi Mfethu for ukulokhe usicathulisa where so coach abasakhula as well with how to deal because akudlala ukudila nengane individual kumele uyibuke complete uthi develop kanjani ingayodwa ke bebaningi with their behaviors from different homes. Mhlambe in conclusion singaveza nje ukuthi Friday coach mhlambe usukhulumile with the coaches ukuthi iziphi indawo esoyihambela abantu bazolindelana.
They must look forward where we go to KZN Academy Action Amazulu for this Friday and in the following days kuzobe kuyisicelo isicelo sports naso esifuna ukusibona and then kube i-British as well as abanye besolo besibambela but most likely the surrounding Durban and then abanye sobahambela kancane laba abangaphandle, so we keep them posted. But what is happening is that it's very exciting. I mean, we love what we're doing and we are grateful for Nkulunkulu to wake up every day and try and reach the lives of other people. We apologize. Let's apologize as well to the teams or the people that find about Super Cup very late. We are still getting inquiries. We are still getting a lot of people wanting to enter, but we will try and see how we can accommodate because it's very important. If it means that we have got a primary rounds in December, in November, but then the core of the teams are there, we will do that. I mean, it will determine by people who would say, what do we do? We had so many plans about the Super Cup. We wanted to take it. We are more than welcome as well. Where we say, hey, coach, we want to come. We also assist. We can also do a tournament. We can also do your tournament as well. We can also do your tournament. You can invite us. Sizokwenza tournament. We do that. We are also capable of doing any event that you can think of. What is important for Tina Uguti? We want to make sure Uguti a Super Cup grows with people, and then in a way yokuthi when we've got ilanga, they must look forward to ilanga as well. Next week, where our poster is going to be there for the entire duration of the tournament. They must listen to Gagas FM. We are going out to make means of how we want to restructure and make sure this cup stays to people and bas assist bas the show understand this is not about us anymore. It's about this Fundazo Sazul Natal on how they embark on something that is huge like this. So municipalities and that, they must come into party, because we are not talking about only the local teams. We are talking about teams that are coming from the outside, who are going to come and bring izinto la bashiye umnotho okunye bashiye izinto bashiye imali zabo abazisusa ngalezi zingala, because that's what we want to achieve. Pinetown is the place to be. Umhlaka 12 to 15 December kuyafiwa Pinetown Super Cup when ongazanga. Stay tuned and also make sure that all the things that are going to happen in Pinetown Super Cup azobela ku take to Top TV. Take two Top yes namakamana ngila netuzanje. So ba kuzobe khona ama games wonke and be broadcast live. We make sure that you ayenza lento ethwayeni uku subscribe. Uma ungena nje lapha ukhokha lutho, it's only data nyana ungene and then like page and usibuza ama question. We will make sure that we answer fully, and with the experience now, some of the questions azosilekelela to grow. So we make sure, good guys, stay tuned, and we have more guests that are gonna come as well, where we engage about football in near future. But for now, we want to make sure ukuthi le akuyona podcast yokuthi sibe kusikhuluma ngabantu sibaxeke.
That's true.
We don't want that. We want to make sure ukuthi even ama guest wethu nabantu abasibukayo bazi ukuthi la siyahlonipha futhi siyakwazi ukuthi sisizane. If they want to advertise, we'll allow them to do so. It's very important. Tina, we just here ukuthi sizo create a platform, a healthy environment where everyone is welcome.
That's true. Thank you so much. Msholo usekhulumile. Siyabonga kakhulu guys. On the 9th of December njalo ngakhohle ukuthi izobe kune draw yepenny lapha ePinetown Spare, so ke si live as well. For me, I'm signing out. King Shama said this is Danko Disc podcast with VKG. Msholos.
Sengivala nje ngishout out to wonke ama PSL players, former players that are really done so much well. Kulabo abadala esibukele kubona up until today. We want to send a special shout out to them ukuthi bafethu noma impilo inzima after football kuthina, but we still saying kubantu bangasijudge, bayenze sure ukuthi ba understand ukuthi izinto ezenzeka nezinto ezisazokwenzeka. We must learn from them so that these players abadlala manje, they must be better players. We don't want ukuthi sithole idori njalo ezithi sibani kwenzeka ukuthi, but asimbongeni ukuthi at least uNkulunkulu with his special talent he was able to showcase and make sure ukuthi uyakwazi ukwenza. So wonke umuntu bafethu odlala ibhola asizisoli, siyabonga kakhulu i-contribution yenu and the platform ke lesi creative amajita ukuthi afike asizozikhulumela nje fethu ngebhola, hayi idori zakudala, where we engage about football on how football can move forward. That's what we must talk about. Lezi zakudala zokuthi wenzani. We don't want to dwell on that because it's such a situation. But the show yethu is about transforming ibhola. It's about making sure ukuthi sikhuluma nemfano development ukuthi abe hungry. Next week basihlangana so besikhuluma ngokuthi how can you be hungry more than others? Ukuyenza phezulu.
Yes.
Ngiyabonga.
Danko siyabonga.